Agent Diaz, care to elaborate on that recording you just pulled from the radar? All teams, comm check.
Razor 3-2, read you loud and clear, uniform.
This is 3-1. Roger, we hear you, over.
Secondary objective is as follows. 3-1 is to take position at the base of the complex where presumably our man is being held, and wait for support from Anderson. Just to be clear, if you can't spot the friendly, rescue operation is aborted. We have zero room for playing hide and seek, or for mistakes, people. Anderson, our comms officer, Lieutenant Vance, will vector you into the objective. With that radar system blind, we can safely launch our UAV drone. Our comms officer, Lieutenant Vance, will vector you into the objective. With that radar system blind, we can safely launch our UAV drone.
Эй, придурок, посмотри вокруг! Ты на чертовом вонючем острове! Тут нет... Будь начеку, смотри в оба.
Razor 3-2 in position. 3-1, I got eyes on you.
Roger, support. We're standing by for your signal. Find our guy, Anderson.
Take a sweep of the area, 3-2. There are several buildings here that can potentially contain the target.
I'm on it. There's a building looking like a restaurant. At one time, at least. 4 men dispatched, but they don't seem to be watching anything in particular.
A hostage has got to demand more attention. These guys are pros. Look elsewhere.
I see the yacht in the docking bay. Seems quiet. They must have already unpacked. Counting as many as 9 hostiles, though.
Let us worry about that. Continue the sweep.
One MI-17 stationed on the helipad, 4 tangos in the vicinity. No sign of POI, over.
Damn it.
Bingo. Confirmed POI location. Large apartment with glass walls, northwest part of the complex.
Can you determine his status, Razor?
Affirmative. He's alive, but they're working him over. Recommend immediate extraction.
All teams, green light to assault and secure POI. Do it fast and swift. No loose ends.
Solid copy, uniform. Weapons checked, men. Get ready. We're crashing this party.
I've identified several choke points along the route to the apartment. We'll coordinate once you reach them.
Copy that. We've hit land. Proceeding to first choke point. Keller, we can cover more ground and better conceal movement if we split into 2 teams. Good one. Nichols, you go with Diaz. Gomez on me. We'll sandwich the apartment from opposite directions. Contact patrol coming out of the boat shed. Nichols on me. Anderson, hold your shot. Let's try and keep things quiet. We're good to go. We've reached the long staircase. One sniper atop the building eyeing it. Eliminated Rookie Dick.
Copy that.
Direct hit. Up the stairs. Let's hustle.
Advancing.
Okay, pit stop. I see 2 targets.
Sure thing. Count it.
Let's take them at the same time. In 3, 2, 1. Go. Perfect. We're a go. Racer 3-2, our progress is impaired. 2 snipers located at the westernmost part of the island. Rooftop level. Can't run under their noses. Request.
Target 1 eliminated.
Now tag the second one.
A real clusterfuck, that's what. 2 groups of hostiles above and at ground level, 5 total. The ones on higher ground have to be top priority.
Standing by for your sweep. Kill confirmed. Now, eliminate the second.
All tucked neatly beneath the carpet.
I read you. Now we can do the same for the remainder. Your target is on the boat's stern. On you.
Area cleared.
Roger, moving up. This is Diaz. We've reached the helipad. Anderson, 3 targets for you. We're in a bad position. You're on your own this time. Try to run. Heads up, chopper pilot snooping around. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Got him.
Okay, south path clear. Final choke point. You can use some help with the guy directly in the building. He's looking at the courtyard. We need him alone. Kill confirmed. Eliminate one of the talking soldiers, 3-2.
I'm on it.
Nice shot. Tango on the left. Shit. Take him down before he alerts someone. We're done prepping for assault. Diaz, how's it on your end? A-okay. We'll need a diversion to get this done, though. If we don't thin their numbers before going in, it could be roadkill.
I got an idea. Caught a glimpse of a large fuel tank at the helipad. You got some claymores, right?
I see where you're going. We'll mine the stairs. You cause some noise. Keller? Sounds like a plan. We hit the place once the mines go off. Okay, Cole, you're the conductor. Start. Nice shot. And they're off. Wait for it. Strike 1, we're live. Go, go, go! Breaching clear. Diaz on me. Advancing. We're taking fire. Cole, open up on them. Anderson, engage, engage! Keep on them, advance! Good work, come on. First floor clear. Advancing. Gomez, cover me. Tango right. Clear. Second floor clear. No hostage in sight. Go, go, go! Target in sight. Anderson, we got a situation. One of the hostages is held at gunpoint. We'll try to flush the merc out for you. Stand by.
Okay, copy.
You're surrounded. Put down the gun, and I promise you, you won't be harmed. Place your hands on your head, and fuck you, Mudak. You think I'm stupid? Friendly secure. He's in bad shape. Uniform. Request medevac.
Copy last. Chopper is spinning up now. Can you use IR strobe to vector it in?
Affirmative.
Solid work, teams. Keller, you and your men secure the location and wait for our bird. We're also sending supplies and 2 additional elements. Anderson, go ahead and clear a path to the hotel. 3-1 will RV via radio.
I'm on it.
Good show, Anderson.
Likewise. Talk to you guys later. How's the lay of the land ahead, Lieutenant?
More caves and cliffs, which open up to a resort section. It's well guarded. No telling if any comms traffic went out during the raid. UAV is moving into Overwatch.
Помню, там был молоденький паренек, еще мальчик, из Одессы. Когда он бывал в карауле, то всегда сидел у большого камня.
Он что, сидел, когда был в карауле?
Ну, времена тогда были другие. Никто не хотел там оставаться, и это не была работа на частного заказчика. Всем было наплевать. Кто здесь?
You're showing up on scanners again, Razor. IR suggests there's a path behind the waterfall you can take.
Эй, ты! Тебя ждут в лагере. А где сегодня Григор?
Лазарет.
До сих пор?
Да, неделя уже прошла.
Так что с ним случилось?
Да лень его подвела. Не молодой вроде, а ведет себя. Этот идиот провел 8 лет в Камбодже. И вдруг забыл, что если весь день ходить с мокрыми ногами, заработаешь тропическую язву.
Ты что, издеваешься? Из-за этого он в лазарете?
Да, из-за таких, как он, у всех постоянно какие-то неприятности. Всегда в отряде оказывается какой-нибудь дилетант или кто-то на грани срыва. А потом вдруг раз — бой. Сидишь под градом пуль в дерьмовой траншее, а рядом парень, от которого толку ноль. Плевать от этого хочется. Вот в этом и проблема.
Не слыхал? Чего там с той грузинской снарягой?
Нет,
Тебя, похоже, это не интересует.
я рад, что не попал туда, а все остальное меня не касается.
Я советую тебе пораскинуть мозгами. Босс потерял часть своих активов. Нет заложников.
Uniform, I'm in position on the villa balcony. Request eyes on buildings to my immediate north.
Roger, follow my lead. Patrolling sentry by the central building. Judging from the direction he's headed, you can wait till he turns the corner.
He's out.
Cross out the enemy by the bus. I see you have an alternate plan. Proceed. Tango terminated.
To all elements. Friendly secure. We are now advancing to assault position. One click from the hotel. Any new developments?
Negative. The package is marked present at the hotel resort, albeit currently under heavy guard. We have zero confirmation on Kalalo.
Anderson, you?
Live and kicking. Should arrive at the observatory double quick.
3-2, you have a heavily reinforced post approximately 200 meters north of your position. Advise you to flank from left.
Roger.
Make sure you have a clear picture of the situation before taking any action. Wait till the hostiles split up to engage.
Ну, если только для тебя. Не знаю, мне кажется, что тут уже все на грани. Сплошные нервы, сплошные испуганные парни. А почему? Я понятия не имею, что это за сделка. Но автобус все боятся, что будет серьезный голова. Знаешь пожилого мужика, который куда-то
Good kill. No further obstructions detected. You can advance to the observatory. The building, however, is a different story.
Figures. We'll check in once I'm there.
Там кто-то есть? Там кто-то есть? Чертов свет сбил меня с толку. Я не знаю, приятель. Это место...
А что с ним не так?
Как что? Это ж чертова дыра. Она мне уже плешь проела.
Ну, в сравнении с Сараево это прямо курорт. Нет,
Нас подразделением ненадолго отправили в Нигерию. Да, это была приятная война.
Stealth is critical. There is a heavy machine gun looking directly at the main entrance.
Uniform, can you feed enemy positions over?
Updating your map now. Dispatch the sentry on the roof 1 o'clock to increase your
Что с ним
odds.
случилось?
Best bet is to do it when he's near the right edge to avoid detection.
себя. Этот идиот провел 8 лет в Камбодже и вдруг забыл, что если весь день ходить с мокрыми ногами, заработаешь тропическую язву.
Ты что, издеваешься? Из-за этого он в лазарете?
Да, из-за таких, как он, у всех постоянно какие-то неприятности. Всегда в отряде оказывается какой-нибудь дилетант или кто-то на грани срыва. А потом вдруг раз — бой. Сидишь под градом пуль в торговой траншее, а
He's
рядом
down.
парень, от
Going ahead through the
которого
gap on the left.
Rely on foliage to stay concealed at all times.
Вот в этом и проблема. Помяни мои слова. В этот раз будет полная задница. Так всегда начинается. Пустяков. Сначала один срывается, потом другой, а потом уже и у всего отряда сдают нервы. Ты чувствуешь?
Что?
У меня такое чувство, будто кто-то нас подслушивает и наблюдает за нами.
Halo inbound from your 631. Maintain a low profile.
Birds flying high. You know how I feel.
Real talent you got there, Diaz. Keep him safe.
Yeah, go figure.
I can Use that guy in the center as bait.
Вчера привезли еще 5 Осторожно, я его не вижу.
This is 3-2. I've reached the objective in one piece.
3-1, also in position, close to the main complex bay. What does the eye in the sky say?
Still no buyer in sight.
Think our banana nationalist got cold feet?
I doubt it. Maybe just playing hard to get. The guy has a real hard-on for advancing in Abu Sayyaf ranks. He'll show. We just have to wait.
All Razor elements, we're seeing a vehicle approaching the hotel site from the west. Civilian sedan. ETA 20 mics.
This is it. Everyone on your feet. Anderson, we're on a rock approximately 100 meters from the boat. Can you see us?
Roger, I see you.
Roll call. 2 tangos on the pier, 2 manning the searchlights on the yacht.
I see him.
Take down 1 hostile on the pier when the light is away. That flower bed will hide the bodies, and the storm should mask the discharge sound.
Got it. Ready.
Let's take them same time. You take the one on the left.
Like taking candy from a baby.
So far, so good. Tap the spotters, then the lights.
Roger, I'm on it.
Nice shot. Good shooting.
Copy that.
Shot was good. Razor, heads up. Straggler just jumped out of the main deck. Don't let him near the bodies. Take him down before he alerts someone. Kill confirmed. All right, approaching the boat. Patrol 1. Now tag the second one. Nice shot. We have a date strolling on the pier. Open fire on the bald guy. I have sights on his boyfriend.
Area cleared.
Vehicle Victor approaching from the southwest.
Cole, take out the lights on the pier to hide the bodies. Nice shot. Now tag the set. Nice work. Let's wait him out.
Okay, just spreading out.
Just a little longer. Wait for it. Nice. One's well hidden behind those rocks. You can pick him up. Kill confirmed. Grunt by the car is the next target. Nice shot. Last one, on the beach.
All done. A-OK to land.
Affirmative, squad moving in. Uniform, what's the status on the villa?
Site is crawling with enemy troops. Recommend against direct assault. We've identified what looks like a central switch box right to the wooden pergola. If you could disable it, Anderson, going in with NODs will give 3-1 a significant advantage.
Sounds good. On you support.
Direct hit. It's lights out.
Waiting for your go, Razor 3-2. You might want to switch to night vision. Hostile down.
Fuck.
Keep on them, advance! Go, go, go! Uniform, Razor 3-3, we are closing on target location. How copy?
Roger. We are going to proceed as planned.
We have eyes on the Russian principal. HVT inbound. Wait a minute. Is that?
It's Marinov.
What is Marinov doing here?
Looks like our old friend has moved up in the world.
You knew about this?
I had a hunch. A while back, I heard a rumor that Marinov had resurfaced as a major player in the illicit arms trade. When they told me some Russian hustler nobody had ever heard of was looking to sell a stolen plague, one name came to mind.
I am gonna kill him, Diaz. So help me God.
You mean we are gonna kill him, Captain? Why do you think I personally requested you for this mission?
Something's wrong. They know we're here.
All teams, go!
He's down. Gomez, right side. I'm up. Enemy sniper! Where's he shooting from?
Keller, I can't see him. Get to cover!
Go, go, go! Tango up high. Take him down. Nailed it. Hostile left. Got him. Keep on him. Advance.
Shit. Dispatch, we got a situation. Diaz and Nichols are being transported out of the compound. If I don't take the shot now, they might be compromised.
Negative, Anderson. The situation is the damn bio agent is slipping out of our hands again. I will not permit such ineptitude to take place on my watch. You must intercept Marinov at all costs. Our men are likely being transported in the same direction, so if you want to get them out alive, I suggest you haul ass now. Copy?
Copy that, sir.